Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you too?
I'm fine as well. So, can you please tell me about your last job?
My last job here is nanny housemaid all around.
So, basically, what
But
were your.
I'm not cooking.
Yeah,
Just
okay.
taking care a newborn baby when I came here.
Okay, so basically, what were your duties and responsibilities while on that job? What do you do?
Paying attention for the small babies because this is my priority for the small babies. And if she sleep, I work in the house like cleaning the house. I'm putting clothes for washing, ironing.
And what is the nationality of your employer?
My employer now, they are local.
Locals. And how many members in the family in total?
There are only three members in the family.
They only have one kid?
Yeah,
How old?
he's becoming 2 years also in
Mm-hmm.
August. Yeah,
Okay. And why you decided not to renew your contract? What is the reason?
because I'm asking a day off for them, but they don't let me because we need also sometimes to get meet our cousins here because I have cousin also for
Okay.
relaxing.
Yeah, so for 2 years you don't have any day offs.
No.
Okay. So since you're looking for a new employer because of that reason, after you finish your contract, um, how much would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
So 1/6.
Okay, and what is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Priority because my priority is nanny for the babies. And
Mm-hmm.
most of all, looking for me, my even in Lebanon because I have experience also in Lebanon for 6 years. So my priority there is a newborn baby because I know how can manage myself when the baby is sleeping. I know everything how to make my work by step by step.
Okay. And what type of food can you cook?
Uh, I cook because yeah, I 6 years in Lebanon. It's a Lebanese food. I don't know
Okay.
if someone they are making they want, but we have our own tradition. I don't know if there are another countries. It's
Mm-hmm.
not the same. So it's
Okay.
really if I have time to work to cook, it's okay. No
All
problem
right.
for me.
Okay, and now, what is your first action when a baby cries out loud? When you see the baby crying, what will you do?
For me, because if the baby is crying, sometimes you become also like a baby. If you are taking care of baby. So for me, I hug the baby and telling. It's like I start for the babies crying because this is my work for the small babies. Yeah. It's like for me, I love a baby. When she cry, maybe she will tell. I will tell something for her not to cry.
Okay. And if the employer is not in the house, then the child gets sick. What is the first thing that you need to do? The first thing that you need to do.
Maybe it's if she got if I know that she's sick, I will know the temperature. If how much, I give her the medicine. But if the temperature is high, I should give her Tahamili. This is if mom is not at home, of course I will call
Yeah.
her and to know about her kids. What happening for the kids if they got sick.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
I have been, I think, sitting in the room sometimes or on the net because I need to see my son on the Skype also sometimes weekends like this because he's going in the school also.
Okay. And the last question is, do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
I have yeah because I come abroad I know the rules and regulation being a housemaid nanny so I know I would love them if they have a kids like my own kids, because I have a kids also. So I treat like my own kids, and I will do my best to get together for the family. It's better if you have peace of mind living with your employer. This is
Yes.
interesting for trusting both sides, maid and the employer. And this is the big thing for us. It's a big dealing so that the employer will stay for you also good.
Yeah,
Because if you,
that's
yeah, because if you stay good for your employer, they will stay good also for you.
yeah.
Treating good for both of us is good.
Yeah, that's really true. All right, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.